used to be the space invader, snatching her free from King Kong's joke. Now, what I noticed at first, he could say Space Invader, but he cannot say... Hey everyone, I am back with another video and another music review. Tonight I thought we'd take a look at a fun little song by this smooth jazz artist by the name of Michael Franks. He was popular in the 70s and 80s, and he had such fun songs like Eggplant and Monkey See, Monkey Do, and this one called Now That Your Joystick's Broke, which poetically tells the story about the video game crash of 1983 in a fun way. He doesn't use any like historical bits or anything, but I'm gonna let the song play and I'm gonna review it, and I'm gonna let it speak for itself, and then I am going to say what I think about it. So here we go. You used to be the space invader, snatching her free from King Kong's joke. Now, what I noticed at first, he could say Space Invader, but he cannot say Donkey Kong, which was very interesting. She's out on sea, she'll catch you later. Now that your joystick's broke. Now that your joystick's broke. Very cool video game sounds all throughout. Now that your joystick's broke. Now that your joystick's broke. Find your joystick's broke. Get it fixed. You got it made with all the women that in arcade now. You're the joke. Still wear the shades, but who you kidding? Now that your joystick's broke. Now that your joystick's broke. You're not a hit with the ladies anymore now. Now that your joystick's broke. Now that your joystick's broke. Before we continue, like, share, subscribe, and give me one of those. Hurt your elbow, hurt your wrist. You can barely make a fist. Oh, he's kind of describing a beta male, in a way. You're the king of indoor sports, so I come. Indoor sports, that's an interesting term for sports, you know, electronic video gaming, whatever. Circuit sharks, call that number, broken sticks, bring them in and get fixed. I wish Broken Sticks was around when I was a kid. There were times many a rage quit at video games. I used to play video games back in the 90s, but I haven't in 20 years. I just lost interest. Great instruments on this, by the way. Boom! Your jeans have all the quarters to fill the air with lipstick smoke. Guess the machines just out of order. Now that your joystick's broke. 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 Hurt your elbow. It's like he keeps shouting, your joystick's broke, go get it fixed. Hurt your wrist. You can barely make a fist. You're the king of indoor sports. That's pretty much the song. Alright, so that is Now That Your Joystick's Broke by Michael Franks in 1983 off the album Passion Fruit. So let me know what you think. I thought that was a fun song. Let me know what you think. I know you already heard it, but I'm going to say again, like, share, subscribe, and give me one of these. And we'll see you next time.